Welcome inside a modern camel leather processing factory. The unique grain of camel leather demands meticulous attention. This is the journey from origin to exquisite finish. From the farm, through the drums, to the hands that stitch luxury.
Starts within these enclosures, where the animals are raised in a peaceful. The process begins with meticulous care. Each camel receives a precisely measured
of every animal. We scan the RFID tag to
veterinary inspection of the camel's hooves and skin.
Maintaining impeccable hygiene is crucial, even in the feeding.
This state-of-the-art facility is where the strict adherence to international standards ensures the unparalleled. Upon arrival, the specialized transport truck is carefully guided into the.
Behind these sterile doors, the luxury production begins.
To ensure the highest quality luxury leather, the raw hides are meticulously cleaned. Precision is key. Each portion is expertly trimmed and weighed to the. This systematic process allows for high volume output. With each,
The packaged meat moves along the conveyor toward the
Once processed, the high-end camel leather is carefully loaded for transport to our global partners.
Once the raw materials arrive, they enter a meticulous move to these specialized stainless steel carts,
ensuring strict production is the meticulous inspection of every hide for consistency. Technicians carefully stretch the thick camel leather on the sorting tables. Each hides are carefully covered in a thick layer of coarse salt, a vital way into specialized channels, a critical step in preparing.
leather is meticulously folded and stacked for final cure.
Align and secure the bundles of preserved camel hides.
Are now ready for the next stage. They are loaded into specialized
factory. The journey from raw hide to luxury product begins.
Hides? Yes, here are the documents. Verified. You may proceed to the unloading.
all camel hides are quality checked and moved directly onto the conveyor system.
The unique batch codes, we ensure the integrity of this luxury camel leather.
Precision is paramount. The thickness of every hide is measured at multiple points.
This careful categorization ensures only
the camel hides begin their journey on the conveyor.
To achieve the highest quality luxury leather, we begin with a meticulous.
To prepare the hides, large amounts of salt are introduced.
The flow rate and initial filtration are performing optimally.
Confirmed.
The mechanical lift removes the saturated hides from the drum. This
This is the crucial fleshing stage.
The raw camel hide is precisely guided.
This precise mechanical shaving is crucial.
The processed hides are stacked and ready.
Welcome to the chemical tanning hall. Here,
These massive drums are the heart of.
Inside this modern facility, these massive steel drums begin the crucial. Once prepared, the heavy camel hides are carefully loaded into these
Utilizing an automated chemical dosing system.
The heavy drums begin their slow, rhythmic churn, marking the computerized controls ensure the environment remains stable during. Inside the drum, the raw camel hides undergo the crucial tanning process.
Brilliant. Careful supervision is essential.
The used tanning solution is carefully directed through the treatment channel, ensuring
In the secondary drum, stabilizing agents are
inside this modern facility, the camel leather undergoes its first state-of-the-art pump systems manage the flow, guaranteeing control.
To achieve that deep, consistent color, the hides are tumbled for hours in the dye.
The worker gently squeezes the sample to verify color absorption. To ensure the highest quality, the leather sample is carefully compared against the fat liquoring process is crucial for high-end. Suspended high above the factory floor, these saturated hides are carefully moved.
The excess liquid is
Make sure the tension is completely even on your side.
Yes.
The framed hides begin their slow journey through the drying chamber. A critical Once semi-dried, the camel hides are carefully detached from the stress.
Is the staking machine, essential for softening the stiff.
This automated process is crucial, gently breaking the fiber.
The true test of quality is in the hand feel. Bending the hide.
to achieve that high-end luxury feel. The leather undergoes precise surface.
Minor imperfections are carefully blended into the surface using
As the leather is precisely sanded for a luxurious.
to create the distinct texture. Here we see the transformation moment. The press rises to show. After the embossing process, the camel leather is moved to. This modern facility utilizes a.
Once processed, every hide undergoes rigorous inspection under these.
The true test of luxury leather is its. We test the tear strength of the camel leather, ensuring structure.
Once graded,
To ensure the highest quality, our luxury camel leather is stored in a meticulous.
the corridor marks the transition from heavy.
Precision is paramount.
Before any leather is cut, the blueprints are checked against the design specification.
Here in the cutting room, precision is everything.
To maintain our luxury standards, we utilize every last piece.
Inside a modern camel leather processing factory, each high-end luxury.
To achieve that luxury finish, the edges of the camel panels are thin.
The worker meticulously applies reinforcement.
To achieve the high-end finish, the adhesive must be applied
Inside this modern camel leather factory,
The refinement stage is crucial.
The first coat of edge paint is applied meticulously. The freshly applied edge paint is left to dry naturally under ambient air. This meticulous application of the second coat ensures the flow.
Between each coat, the edges are. Utilizing specialized machinery, the artisan stitch.
After alignment, the handles are secured with
Every piece of hardware is meticulously covered with a protective film. Every hide receives a final hand polish, removing any The quality control department ensures every seam of the luxury camel leather.
Every strap undergoes rigorous stress testing to ensure it meets. The true mark of luxury lies in the details. We cycle every.
The angled light reveals even the slightest imperfection.
To ensure the highest quality finish, the camel leather undergoes a meticulous. After stitching, the bag undergoes a meticulous final cleaning.
Here we see the final evaluation.
Every seam is hand-stitched, a time-consuming process that
The final stage of production showcases the completeness of our work.
Once aligned, the hydraulic press descends, using controlled force and
Utilizing specialized industrial machines, artisans guide the rich camel leather.
In high-end luxury production, the interior lining is meticulous.
Here, the heated press applies the logo.
Attention to detail is paramount. Even the smallest loose threads are
To protect the distinctive texture of the camel leather, the completed.
Meticulous care is taken in the packaging process. Safeguard